How to install Tidio on Shopify. How to add a chatbot to your Shopify store. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to install Tidio on your Shopify store. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we continue, I just want to let you guys know that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at only $1 per month. So I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you'll also support the channel. So yeah, let's get right back into the video. So what you want to do is to just create a Shopify account and then just build your Shopify store. And then once you're done setting all of those up, what we need to do now is to download the app of Tidio in Shopify. So to do that, what you want to do is just go to apps right here, and then just go to all recommended apps. And then from here, just click on find more apps in the Shopify store. So just click on that. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So in the search bar, what you want to do is to just search up for Tidio. So just search up for Tidio, and then there you go. So just click on Tidio live chat and AI chatbots right there. And then from here, what you want to do now is just click on install. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So the Tidio chatbot will ask you that it will need access to these data right here. So your personal data and your stored data. So once you're sure that you want to share this data to the Tidio chatbots, just click on install, and then it will now start installing the Tidio app. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So Tidio will now ask you to create an account. So just input your email and password right here. But if you already have an account, just click on login right here. So as an example, I'll just start signing up. So just input again your email and password, and then just click on the checkbox right there to agree to their terms and conditions. And then after that, just click on get started. And then right now, it will start loading your Shopify integration. And then after that, Tidio will now ask you to answer these questions right here. So your answers will help us design your onboarding experience. So first, it will ask you what's your name, which department do you work in, and which tools or channels do you currently use to connect with your customers. So answer all of these out. And then once you're done answering, just click on next. And then it will now ask you a couple more questions like what is your primary business model, what is your company's industry, how many customer conversations does your company handle per month, and what's your average monthly website traffic. So answer all of these. So for primary business model, I'll just choose e-commerce. Industry type, let's say I will choose information technology and software. And then how many customer conversations, let's say up to 200. And then my average monthly website traffic, so let's say up to 1,000. And then after that, just click on next. And then there you go. Right now, it will now ask you, how would you like to interact with your customers, or what platform powers your website? So for this one, let's say I want to use the website, the via live chat. And then the next, my platform powers, let's say Shopify. And then just click on next. And then there you go. So after that, it will now ask you where would you like to begin. So offer live support, configure help desk, build flows, or enable Lyro, their AI support agent. So feel free to choose on which part you want to start. So as an example, I'll just choose enable Lyro, which is their AI support agent. So I'll just click on that. And then once you're done choosing, just click on let's go. And then there you go. We are now in the dashboard of Tidio. And then from here, we can now start customizing our AI chatbot. But before we proceed, I just want to remind you guys that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at $1 per month. So again, I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you also support the channel. So when you click on the link down in the description below, when I go to select a plan right here, these 3 plans right here, the basic, Shopify, and advanced plan, will only cost you $1 per month. So the original price for basic is $19. For the Shopify plan, it's $49. For the advanced plan is $299. But when you click on the link down in the description below, these 3 plans right here will only cost you $1 per month. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's get back to the video. So the first thing that we need to do is to just set up the chat widget. So the first thing that we need to do is to show widget to your visitors. So just click on complete Tidio setup, and then it will show you the steps right here. So it says right here, to make Tidio live chat visible for your visitors, you need to turn it on in the Shopify editor and save changes. So just go to your Shopify editor, and then after that, make sure that this chat widget right here is switched to on. So when I look on the preview right here on the bottom, as you can see there, it will now be a chat option available for our website. And then once you're done, just click on save, and then there you go. And then the next step that we need to do is to visit our website. So just click on go to your website right there, and then you would see right here at the bottom that we can now chat with the Tidio chatbot. And then there you go, we're now done setting up the Tidio chatbot in our website. Moving on, let us now try setting up the Lyro AI chatbot. So what you want to do again is just go back to your dashboard, and then just go right here to Lyro AI chatbot, and then just click on set up Lyro AI. And then again, click on set up Lyro AI, and then from here it will now again ask you for a website URL. So just go to your Shopify store, copy your website URL, and then just paste in the website URL, and then just click on import knowledge. And then there you go, we have now imported the chatbot or the AI chatbot of Tidio to our website. So now what we can do is to test out our chatbot. So to test out your chatbot, what you can do is just go to inbox right here, and then from here we can now simulate a conversation. So just click on that. And then from here we can now simulate a conversation. So we can type in hello. It will now ask you to input your email. So just input your email, click on send, and then there you go, we can now start chatting like hello. And then when we go back to Tidio and we go to unassigned, you can see right here that we can reply to the chat of our customers in Shopify. So just click on join conversation, and then from here we can now start replying back to the customer. So just you can reply back hello, and then when we go back to the simulation, as you can see, our reply is there. So yeah, those are pretty much the basics for the chatting system in the Tidio AI bot. Moving on, I'll be covering some other tools that you can use in Tidio. So first is we have flows right here. So from here we can create our pre-designed or like pre-made conversations, so that when a customer chats with our chat support, there will be like pre-built answers or pre-made answers to answer your customers' questions. Next is we have customers. So from here we will get to see the customers that are on our website, and that we can also chat with them from here. Then lastly, what we have here is the analytics. So from here, we will get to see the analytics of our chatbot. So we'll get to see the conversations and the response time. We will also get to see the missed conversations and a lot more. Next is we have integrations right here. So in here, we can integrate any app that you want. So we can integrate MailChimp, Brevo, Messenger, and a lot more. So feel free to experiment with these. Next is we have settings. So from here, we can change the appearance of our chat box right here. So we can change the color, so we can change it to black. We can also change the online status, the widget position, the button label, the label text, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these out. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to install Tidio chatbot to your Shopify store.